Oftentimes when we're feeling stuck or when we're feeling trapped inside a loop of negative thinking and negative emotions and we can't seem to get out of it, is to realize that the answer to the problem is not actually how do I solve my problem, but actually who is having this problem right now. Because often what happens, if something bad happens to us and now we get into a self deprecation loop, what happens to us is that we get stuck in identification with a part, that just feels like a victim and that feels small and powerless and, like it's being attacked from all sides. And as long as we stay in the identification with that part, we're going to have a hard time getting out of that situation because we are not being the person who can easily step out of that situation. But if we do realize to see that, okay, there is a part of me that is feeling that way, but that part is not me, and I know that because I realize that I can observe this part, then all of a sudden I'm in a space where I have power again, and I can choose not to be this part and just to witness this part, but realizing that I am something different. I am the universal self. I have options. I can create a solution. I am not this powerless part. And all of a sudden, because you are embodying a different energy, you're embodying a different story, solutions just come to you naturally because you're no longer the helpless person that's trapped.